Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to animate presentations in Canva on desktop. So you want your slides to stand out. Let's simply animate a presentation in Canva PC and I'll be showing you how to do that. Your first step would be to go ahead and open or create a presentation in Canva, which is what I've done. As you can see, I have my presentation ready. And now simply select the slide. So we have the slide and we have their pages, numbers, page 1, page 2, and page 3. So simply select the slide or page and then simply click on Animate. So go ahead and click on Animate, and then where we have Animate Entire Design, this is a pro feature. We're going to be using the free options. So now all you need to do is choose an effect, like a simple effect like this, or sleek, or fun. You could just simply go with any effect that you wish. I'm going to be going with the baseline effect, and go ahead and select that effect. And now simply apply it to all your pages. You could check out the speed. You could increase or reduce the speed, but this is a pro feature. And then the animate, you can select how it animates on entry or on exit. So you can have that as well. And then the direction of the animation, if you want it left or right, it's also a pro feature. And you can also reverse the exit animation. All right, so once this is done, just go ahead and simply click on apply to all pages. And you can apply the animations to text, photos, or the entire slide, which is what I did. You could do that for text. Like now, just simply select the text. It's going to give you the option to animate. As you can see, the animate option is enabled, and you can now select a different animation for it. So you can have something like this. So once you've animated the text, you could simply animate the image as well on your screen. You could animate the image or the entire slide itself by selecting the page. All right, guys, and once you're done, simply click on the share at the top right and simply export it as an MP4. So click on share and simply click on download here. Click on download, and then you can simply download it instead of a PDF. Just go ahead and download it as an MP4. So select the MP4 video option, and now you can simply, increase the quality. It's simply set to 1080p, but you could increase it past 1080p, and just click on download and you're done. So try to keep the animation subtle, and too many effects can distract your audience, so have that in mind. All right, guys, that's how you can simply animate slides in Canva PC. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.